Hello guys and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be showing you how to send a photo from your gallery, a photo or video from your gallery, and send it as a snap on Snapchat. So first of all, I'm going to open up my snaps inbox of someone. Now, you know what usually new users do? They don't know the difference between sending a photo and sending a snap. So, for example, if I select a photo from my gallery and send it right away, so this is delivered as a chat. So it's not really, even though you did send a photo, but it's not really a snap. And you know, in order for you to continue a snap streak or increase your snap score, you need to send the other person a snap. So sometimes one does not really want to send a live photo and is willing to send a photo from their gallery. What do they need to do? Well, for that you need to, well, for the first things, for sure that you always have to use the camera option, and that is the only way of sending out snaps. So how do you send it from the gallery? Well, you need a filter. So when you press this filter button, like this smiley face right next to the camera shot button, and on the bottom right you see this magnifying glass, which is like a search. You go for search, and now you know you could search for a upload filter. The most commonly used are uploads and green screen filters. Like the green screen filter is basically when, you know, for example, you see the second one here. Basically, you can add your face over a photo from your gallery and, you know, react to something. But if you just want to simply post a photo, like if you just want to upload one photo, you can always use bunch of these upload filters. And you know, there's this one which says video uploader, and that will be good for you in case you want to upload a video. But in case you just want to upload a photo, you can select this one, and now you see my gallery is visible here, and I can, you know, swipe through the photos, and this plus button will reveal my gallery. And I can just, once I'm done selecting, I can tap on the click button, and then I press send, and I select my friend, and I think it should be done. Like, look at this, my snap has been sent, and if I save this in chat, you can see this same dog photo was sent out as a snap. So that is pretty much it. That is all you needed to know about this. So I hope this video was helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.